Hi there! In this test, we will demonstrate the remarkable quietness of our cigar humidifier during operation. First, let's establish the baseline ambient noise level in the room without the humidifier operating. The decibel reading is around 40 to 45 decibels. Next, we will measure the noise level when speaking at an average conversational volume near the humidifier. The decibel reading is around 60 to 70 decibels. When we open the humidifier, we can observe the noise level remains at 55 to 65 decibels. As you can see, our humidifier operating quietly, allowing you to enjoy your cigar experience fully. When the door of the cigar cabinet is closed, you won't hear any operational noise from the humidifier. This is Cloud. Thank you for watching.